up, you fucking bitches?
Everybody now.
What is up, you fucking cunts? So right now, the time is 10 minutes past 7. I'm fucking tired as a fucking idiot, but as you can see, the computer is loaded up. So is Mrs. Acid's computer. We got the bag, which we have all the wires and shit in. We got her chair. And we got my chair. So all of this shit is going down in the car. We got the 2 screens over there. Well, I've run into some issues regarding that now, since I can't get access to my boxes where I have the feet for them. So I have to figure out how the fuck to get to them. Then we're off to Dreamhack. So let's do this. So, just for a quick stop for some leg stretching stuff, we got 113 Ks left. We've been driven for like, I don't know, 22. So let's jump out of the car real quick. Show some penis! What penis? Yeah, penis! Nothing! Look at these shittets. We got blankets. Hello! And the Polish dude. Oh.
And you thumbnail.
Intimate! Okay, quick break, you cunts!
It's warm. It's very warm. I like it.
Penis!
It's me.
What are you doing?
I can't pee!
You can't pee in public, that's against the law!
Release the beast! Fuck! God damn it!
Have you been doing more squats? Because that ass is a lot more tighter.
Oh my... Stop! Not on camera! Not that camera at least!
You scared me?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Candy.
Vi måste köra slow-mo.
I'm not the one editing.
No, but I know someone who's gonna save this footage and use it for privacy.
Oh shit.
Oh, what are you doing?
Long
My
time
name is
no
Jim.
see, you bitch. Oh, for good content.
You cunt!
Get smacked by the camera. This is actual smack cam.
It's a really expensive smack cam. Specked out.
You almost fucked up, bro.
Let's go for it. You should join us.
Yeah.
We have a nice trip.
We got a shit ton of arcades. Okay, Polish and blanket. Are you gonna try this? Are you guys really gonna try this?
Yes, let's do it. Okay, du måste
I'm gonna...
Nej, kolla.
Vad ska jag göra?
Oh my god.
Innan
So,
mikrofonen när du hittat 3 stycken.
You guys are really two massive fat cunts, you know?
Yes.
How many donuts you got in there?
I should have 6, but let's see.
Yeah. Mystery box open. Sesame open, please. Wow, you're slow, dude.
Yeah, I'm really slow.
You done?
Okay, I have 6.
Hello?
You have 6, alright. Let's go. Here's the donuts.
behind you, you fat bastard.
I've got 6 muchachos. Check this out.
Pick or GTFO, you cunt. Holy fucking shit.
Yes. Hey, bro.
Hey,
You know,
I'm gonna have at least 4 of them. Mine.
Well, see, now he wins. Yes.
And 3 of his is mine as well. Sweet.
Yeah, about that. We're gonna have to negotiate.
Shut up. We're going out for a cigarette quick, guys. Then we're going back to gaming. You guys up for that? We got some wobbly shit going on over here, but fuck that shit. Hello?
Wobbly.
Polish? Minority blanket. Polish minority blanket.
Did you just say minority blanket?
Blanket?
Blanket.
Blanket minority.
Yes.
With the blanket.
I'm going through the middle.
Let's go this way. Dude, look at that squatty ass. Yummy.
This is why you need them.
Oh shit. Holy shit, I just kicked something.
Oh, that's mine.
God damn.
Mine.
You fucking douchebag.
I was about to.
Well, you suck.
Jag hör det.
Minority. She's 10 o'clock, you cunt.
No, I don't see a clock. What is the clock? Klockan är 10.
Minority. Come on. Come on, Polish. Get him up. Minority. Come on, babe. Minority. Come on, get up. It's day 2, you bitch. Nigga. Minority. Yeah. Fucking blanket, still sleeping. And the clock. What's that? 10:43. Now we got Polish.
Det är 5 minuter sant. Alltså det är inte så att han plutselig har bestämt sig for at akkurat nå, men han sa igår at han skulle prøve å kjøpe
Do you know what time it is?
Åh, seriöst.
You pissed?
Yes, fuck off.
You gonna... Blanket.
Kan ni säga det?
Why are you crying, bitch?
We didn't make it to wave 38. We didn't make it.
You cry, baby? So,
We had one job
17:34. We've been playing for like 7 hours.
and we didn't make it to.
So let's
Wave
go
38.
to the bathroom, grab a smoke, then let's go fishing some content.
Skoja!
So I decided to loan out my computer to Dreamhack. Even though it's not mine, it's still mine.
Det är bra att gå och ta high ground här också, tror jag. Det var någon som hade plockat en shield och det räddade honom, men det är 4-2. 5-2. Gunnevik on fire. 6-2.
That took like 3 seconds. Like seriously, that took 3 seconds. Wow.
Och nu ska man ta sig ut på så.
Ja, jag kan hålla vapnet om det är så. Jaha.
You gotta jump, fatty.
Give me a moment, I gotta figure this out. Give me a moment. Du kan hoppa från mitten.
Från mitten, det är bäst.
Nej, jag håller den, du hoppar. Jaha, jag hoppar du. Nej, jag fick inte hopp. Både för oss att kolla och stå I'm not gonna have any kids, but I'm good.
On top of this and then jump.
Jump to this. I'll try again.
Oh, you're making my day, bro.
Gold, gold.
One more time.
Do it. Adjust.
Adjust.
But it was better from here. I could get up.
Just do it again.
Yeah, right. Whatever works.
Perfect. Okay.
And be there. Yeah.
And now?
The fat guy gotta go.
Don't spin it, don't spin it.
Eyeballs.
Yeah. You want this or a small one or?
Maybe I want actually
Whoa,
this
bro.
one. Yeah. That's cheating.
Well, get over here and touch it. I'm just balance.
Yeah.
You gotta be way closer, way closer.
Oh yeah, come here.
Come in, closer, even closer. Even closer.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So no crossing the legs, no hands on the bar.
Okay.
On the bar.
So just like this.
This is gonna be
Don't
gold.
aim on the head. You can strike that, but don't aim on it.
Okay.
3, 2,
Can we hold?
1, go!
Hit him!
You can still use your legs and drag the weapon and everything. There are no other rules.
Who got no
Use your legs.
Who got the weapon? I got supersonic
Flip his
speed.
legs off.
Legs out?
Legs.
Come on,
Use
just
your legs.
kick him!
I can push it.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, yes, I can't.
No kicking. Just
I can't do it.
Hands also? No?
not on the bar. No hands on the bar.
Nope, no hands on the board. Patrick, you're cheating. All right, yeah, I'm cheating also.
Yeah, exactly. I'm the winner! Men jag ska ha donutglas. Jag måste avsluta med det. Marre, baguetten.
Shut up.
What's up, cunt? Yes, that was it.
What was what?
As you can see, we're now back home from Dreamhack. We got Frank the Tank fully equipped with Dreamhack equipment. So he's got the t-shirt, he's got the VIP passport for Dreamhack as well. So he's coming with us to Dreamhack Summer 2019 probably. So I knew we messed up a bit. We only made like 2 vlogs during Dreamhack, but we played a shit ton of mutton games. We were out in the expo just walking and having fun, so I totally forgot to vlog this year again. But don't worry, till summer I'll fix it, because then gonna get more content, and Frank will probably fix it for me, and Doris here, his little new sister, will also, well, hi Doris, she will also fix it for me. So be sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and be sure to, Jesus Christ, put post notifications on as well, so you get a notification every time I upload a video. So guys, till next time, Doris, say goodbye.
The apocalypse.